It's so quiet today.
Creating 3D cartoon animations used to be complicated.
Lumi? Where did you go? Hey, don't disappear.
You needed expensive software.
Lumi? Where are you? We can't stop now. He could be anywhere. Wait, these prints, Lumi?
But now AI has changed everything.
Lumi, I found you. I'll never let you get lost again. We're together now.
Today, you can create full 3D animated videos for free. And the biggest breakthrough: solving the problem that ruins most AI videos, character inconsistency. In this video, I'll show you a simple workflow to fix that and create a complete animated story from start to finish. We'll be using Crun AI, an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to powerful tools in one place. Let's jump in. Step 1. Generate your animation blueprint. First, we need a complete plan. Take the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In seconds, you'll get a full story script, character descriptions, scene-by-scene prompts, image-to-video prompts with dialogue. Now you're not guessing anything, everything is structured and ready. Step 2. Create characters' images. Next, we generate visuals. Go into your image generation tool, Grok Imagine. Paste your character prompts. You'll get high-quality 3D style characters, clean lighting and textures, consistent design across outputs. Step 3. Create scene images. Then generate your scene images one by one. Here we use Google Nanobana 2. Upload 2 characters. Enter the prompts. Choose the resolution, aspect ratio, output format. You'll get the result within minutes. You can simply download it. Each scene should match the same characters, keep visual consistency, look cinematic and detailed. Repeat this until all scenes are ready. Step 4. Turn images into animation. Now comes the magic part. Open Grok Imagine. Upload your first scene image. Then paste your image to video prompt. Choose the mode, duration, and resolution. Click Generate and instantly, your image becomes a moving animation. Motion looks smooth and natural. Repeat this for every scene. By the end, you'll have a full set of animated clips that actually feel connected. Step 4. Edit everything together. Now combine your clips into a full video. Use a simple editor like CapCut. And that's how you can create full 3D animations using AI faster and easier than ever. If you want to try this yourself, start with Crun AI, https://crunai/. Use Grok Imagine here, https://crunai/models/Grok Imagine. If this video helped you, like the video, comment what you want to create next, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next video.